Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload YouTube Shorts. So I am on the YouTube app for this, but it will work similarly on youtube.com on your computers as well. All you will need to do is as you would upload a regular YouTube video, click that button where you see that little video icon at the top right hand corner there, similarly on your computer as well. Then there is a create short button. You can click that if you want to create it right there and then, or you can click upload a video. So you can go ahead and click on that. Then you can click at the top there, create a short if you want to create one right now, or get one of your camera roll. You'll have options below. You can just click on one of them and make it a short like that. So if I click on your video, it'll instantly be a short as long as it's a vertical video that's less than 60 seconds. That's a requirement. You don't need to put anything else with it. It's just a vertical video less than 60 seconds. So you can take it from your camera roll or click create short. Holding that red button at the bottom there, create that video for as long as you want to, below 60 seconds. Then you can click next or edit it potentially as well. Button at the bottom. Upload it. Once that's done, once you put in all your details here, you can upload it and then you have a YouTube short. So leave a like on the video if it did help. Click on screen for more YouTube how-tos. Subscribe for more videos like this. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.